Hey there, people. How's it going? All right. Well, what we're going to be talking about today is the 3-in-1 Garage Door Lube. Yeah, now these are really good for garage door, the chains and the hinges, and anything on the garage door that really needs to be oiled up to prevent squeaking and rusting, and overall to protect the chain and just keeping it in good working order. You know, anything metal that has to twist and turn on other metal, you know, that's attached to one another, needs to be kept in good condition so it doesn't, like, you know, get stuck together, you know, from lack of use or whatever, just over time. And this seems to work very well. I have a garage door that I've been using this product on, and it really does the job. Okay, what it is, it lubricates, and it just really lubes up really good, and it also prevents a lot of corrosion from happening and rust. Okay, yeah, now this thing here really gets into all those fine areas that you want to lube up. See, now what you do is you have to make sure you shake the can very well to, you know, get it nice and mixed and up the snout there. And then you press this button here and that comes out like that. Yeah, it sprays out really strong and really precise. The straw really makes it so you are precise in where you get the lube to. And yeah, this works very well. Now you have another option to actually take this piece off like that, you see, and you can spray it to more of a cone spraying way, so it covers more of an area, but it's less precise, far less precise than using the straw here. So yeah, I've been using this lube for quite a few years. I had to get some, I should say. I really had to because when I first got my house, my garage door, it was like it hadn't been opened in years, and the chains on the garage door was extremely, you know, needing of oil, you know, a lube on there, because it was squeaky, it was rusty. I thought I was going to have to change them, you know, but, you know, I lubed it up really good. I mean, I put a lot of this on there and just let it sit in there, and then run the door back and forth, opening and closing, and getting that lube all up in that chain, you know, all in the individual pieces. And it got in there and it did the job. It really did. It made the door much quieter, and it didn't squeak as much, and it didn't sound like a chain gang was coming every time I tried to open the door. Yeah, this worked very well and actually looked better too once the lube was on there. It looked really shiny and lubed up, really nice. It looked like it was preparing to have some kind of corrosion and rust. It looked like it was starting to appear. So I came at the nick of time. It really needed a what's over. And this is really good. And this is also good for all kind of different things you may have around the house that you may need to oil up, like door hinges and things like that. Anything that has, like, you know, a turning metal that needs to pivot or anything. So this is really good. It has a really good life on it too, meaning I will lube up the chain and I won't have to use it again for a long time. Yeah, it really does the job and it lasts. You know, I probably lube up my chain probably maybe once every 8 months or something like that, you know, just to make sure it's in good working order. It doesn't smell. I mean, there is a small smell to it, but it's not a lingering smell, and it doesn't smell real bad. It kind of smells like the same thing as like a car oil or something like that. But it works very good, and I will continue to use it. Yeah. Okay, well, we're talking about the 3-in-1 Garage Door Lube. Hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, take care. Bye-bye.